Hello guys, welcome to another video on Ionic app. So in this video, we're going to create an Ionic project. What you need to do is to visit the ionicframework.com/docs/intro/CLI and click on CLI installation, which is this. Click on CLI what? Installation. You are going to get to this section and it says start an app. So it says to create an Ionic app using a pre-made app template. What it will give you is when you type the Ionic command, which is Ionic start, they're going to give you the opportunity to select four different templates. All right. So let me see that in action, right? So I'm going to go to my terminal. In my terminal, I want to create an Ionic app because I am already in a particular folder. I want to create the app. So I'm going to type the command Ionic start and press enter. You're going to ask me some questions. Use the app for creating a wizard. Okay. Let me just press no. Okay. So now the next question they're asking me is which of the frameworks do I want to use? I'm going with Angular. So I'm going to press enter. Then what is my project name? I will call this example underscore app. All right. So I'm going to press enter. Right. We have some starter template. Okay. So you can see for this starter template, we have to select tab. You can use your arrow key up and down to select the one you want. We have tab, side menu, blank. Sorry, let me expand this so that we can see it properly. Okay, blank, list, and my first app. Okay, so basically you can choose anyone you want, but I'm going to choose the blank template. So I'm going to press enter. All right, so my project is being created. It may take some couple of minutes. So I'm going to pause the video, then I'll come back when the installation is done. All right, guys, so the installation has been completed and this is what you see. So they will ask you to create an account. You can go ahead, but for me, I'm going to press no. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to run my project. You can see this is the name of our project. They already telling us what to do. They said go to your new project, which is a folder of our project has been created for us. So I'm going to press the command cd dot slash example underscore app. So I'm currently in the project. Now I want to run this project. If you look at the command at the bottom here, we've already navigated into our project. So we want to run the application. So the command to run the application is Ionic serve. Okay. So for that, since you're running a project, the next thing to do is to type the command Ionic serve. So it's coming up. We just need to wait for it. It's currently building our project and you can see it is up and running in our default browser. Now, if you remember, we selected the blank project. Now, if I open the panel by pressing Ctrl Shift I, all right. So some of you may not actually have this mobile phone view. For that, all you need to do, I think, is to, yes, mine is, the frame is currently visible. So you can hide the frame and it can also show the frame. And depending on the device you selected here. So, right, I'm currently using Moto G4. Okay, sorry, let me make this like fit to the window. All right. If you select Galaxy Note 3, for example, you can see, so most of the devices are not showing, but I think some are also showing. Let me try iPhone 5. Okay, good. All right. So let me go back to my Moto G4. Okay, so that's for that. All right. So let us look into the code base. So I'm going to end this by Control C and open it in VS Code. Okay. So to open mine in VS Code, all I'm typing is code period, which is open VS Code in the current folder. So let me expand that and let me close this. Sorry about that. All right, so I authorize this project. So the first thing I want to do is to run my project again here. All right. If you look at the source folder and in the app folder, what I want us to look at is the app.module.ts. So in this file, this is where all our modules is going to be. different modules we're creating, they're going to be in this folder, right? The app.component file is like the default file which holds like the route, the ion router applet. So currently we don't have any, we have only one component, which is the home and the home file. And app routing module, we can see we are only routing to that home component, which is the home page module. Okay, so for that, this is the home file and it's the one that has the header. So if I go to the browser, like the header, right? So let me just type my name here. So let me type my name. I want my name to reflect on the header. So I'll do this and save. And you go back to the browser. Okay, it's going to reload, and the next thing you will see is my name has appeared here, which is Simon. So that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another video.